Smaller, lighter, greener. That's our new kit packaging, which I'm going to show you now. Hi guys, sorry, our film crew here has come up with another entertaining idea. What else would you like me to do? Put on a red nose maybe? And then what? Clowns? Confetti? Great, thanks a lot. Having said that, a balloon is ideal for showing you what's so special about the new packaging concept for timing belt kits with water pump. Yes, we have simply let a whole lot of air out. This has a host of benefits, not just for the climate and environment, but for you too. And I'm going to tell you all about them now. Here you can see the old packaging, and here is the new version. Straight away you can see that the new packaging has become much smaller. The height has been reduced by several centimeters, and so has the width. That's great for logistics, as around 70% more kits fit on a pallet now. And that in return is great for the planet, as it means 98 fewer truck journeys every year to transport our goods to retailers. And there's more good news for the environment, because we need around 50% less cardboard to make the smaller box. This means more carbon savings, while also reducing the amount of waste in your workshop. The box is, of course, made from recycled material and is recyclable itself. That goes without saying. And now comes the big question. How do you get all the products contained in this large carton into the compact box here? If I was to ask my wife to pack everything she takes in her large trolley case into a small sports bag for our next holiday, believe me, that would be quite a drama. To find out how it's done, let's take a closer look at the new packaging. The first thing we notice is that we have another small lid on top here. That's because our water pumps are now packed as individual units. We no longer have the additional cardboard boxes familiar from the old packaging. The individual water pumps are nevertheless securely packed with a separate wrapping, as you would expect of a premium quality product. The box has a double floor. This means the water pump is separated from the other components. You just have to pull this tab up, so you can open up the double floor, and here you will find the rest of the components packed separately from the water pump. First of all, you have our timing belt on top. Then this underneath, our cross or X that keeps all the remaining components separated from one another. If the packaging suddenly moves during transport, this separation of the components prevents them from knocking against each other and possibly becoming damaged. So here we have our small deflection pulley followed by a larger deflection pulley, the tensioner pulley, and finally our part replacement sticker and extra fasteners. If you're impressed by the new packaging and enjoyed this video, please give it a like and post a comment. See you again soon in the workshop.